Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 8 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find display and brightness. A quick disclaimer, first of all I'll show you how to customize this mode, all the available options, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So as I said, display and brightness, let's tap. And here, let's scroll a little bit to find eye comfort. Let's tap on it. So before we will be able to customize it, simply tap on the switcher to actually turn it on. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber. It is basically in order to filter the blue light. What is more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. Here we've got also the screen color temperature. So by using the switcher, we can change the intensity. By going to the left, we can set it on the cooler side, and by going to the right, on warmer. As you can see, it is almost orangish, and on the lowest side it is actually invisible. So just set it like you want to on the most comfortable level for you. We've got also the display effects, which are also quite interesting, I would say. So here we've got the color, which means that your device will display the color, which will be of course affected by the eye shield. Or you can set everything black and white and everything will be monochromatic. So it's totally up to you which option is better for you. I think I'd like to leave the color. So here we've got also the schedule option. We can schedule that feature. We can turn it on and off at custom time, so we can just choose it just by swiping. And of course your device will apply the eye comfort mode according to the hours you've just set. Of course, you can turn it off completely, and from now on you will have to manually turn it on and off. Alright, so that was the whole customization of the eye comfort mode, and as I said at the very beginning of the video, I'll show you much faster access to it, so you don't have to always enter the settings and then just tap on the switcher. All you have to do is to unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully to uncover all of those icons, and here we have to find the eye comfort mode, which is in my case right here. So simply tap on it, and you can see that the screen changes to this yellowish side, and tap on it again to turn it off completely. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.